Hello everyone, I am here to tackle the about food and nutrition. I hope everyone, all of you listening on my discussions and you can get more lesson about food and nutrition. So let's start our discussion. Food and nutrition. The effective management of food intake and nutrition are both key to good health. Smart nutrition and food choices can help prevent disease. Eating the right foods can help your body cope more successfully with an ongoing illness. Understanding good nutrition and paying attention to what you eat can help you maintain or improve your health. The module outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the student must have: first, define food and nutrition. Second, identify the food and nutrients, its sources, functions, and deficiencies. Third, discuss nutrition for the life cycle. Fourth, emphasize the importance of diet, health, and nutritional status. Okay, lesson 1, food and nutrition. The lesson outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students must have: first, discuss food and nutrition. Second, identify the deficiencies that will occur due to lack of proper nutrients. Third, analyze the importance of nutritional value in every meal prepared. Food: any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. Nutrition is the process of taking in nutrients from foods. Food and nutrition is the way that we get fuel, providing energy for our bodies. We need to replace nutrients in our bodies with a new supply every day. Water is an important component of nutrition. Fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are all required. Maintaining key vitamins and minerals are also important to maintaining good healthy iron. Your blood will not function properly. Other nutritional deficiencies that can affect your blood cells include low levels of vitamin B12, folate, or vitamin C. For pregnant women and adults over 50, vitamins such as vitamin D and minerals such as calcium and iron are important to consider when choosing foods to eat, as well as possible dietary supplements. A healthy diet includes a lot of natural foods. A sizable portion of a healthy diet should consist of fruits and vegetables, especially ones that are red, orange, or dark green. Whole grains such as whole, wheat, and brown rice should also play a part in your diet. For adults, dairy products should be non-fat or low-fat. Protein can consist of lean meat and poultry, seafood, eggs, beans, legumes, and soy products, such as tofu, as well as unsalted seeds and nuts. These are the foods that we can balance, that we still be healthy. Yeah. A balanced plate. As you can see, these are the food that we need to eat. Okay, first is the fruits and vegetables. And then the grains and cereals. Here is the dairy products. Here it is. The meat, fish, nuts, and eggs. And then the fats and sugars. Good nutrition also involves avoiding certain kinds of foods. Sodium is used heavily in processed foods and is dangerous for people with high blood pressure. The USDA advises adults to consume less than 300 milligrams per day of cholesterol, found in meat and full-fat dairy products, among others. Fried food, solid fats, and trans fats found in margarine, and processed food can be harmful to heart health. Refined grains or white flour, white rice, and refined sugar, table sugar, high fructose corn syrup are also bad for long-term health, especially in people with diabetes. Alcohol can be dangerous to health in amounts more than 1 serving per day for a woman and 2 per day for a man. Nutritional deficiencies. Even if you are getting enough to eat, if you are not eating a balanced diet, you may still be at risk for certain nutritional deficiencies. In addition, you may have nutritional deficiencies due to certain health or life conditions, such as pregnancy or certain medications you may be taking, such as high blood pressure medications. One of the most common nutritional deficiencies is iron deficiency anemia. Your blood cells need iron in order to supply your body with oxygen. And if you do not have enough iron, your blood will not function properly. Other nutritional deficiencies that can affect your blood cells include low levels of vitamin B12, folate, or vitamin C. Ika. Vitamin D deficiency may affect the health of your bones, making it difficult for you to absorb and use calcium or another mineral that you may not be getting enough of, although you can get vitamin D by going out in the sun. Many people with concerns about skin cancer may end up with low levels of vitamin D by not getting enough sun. There are other nutritional deficiencies include: first is the beriberi or low levels of vitamin B1 found in cereal husks. And then second, riboflavinosis, the low levels of vitamin B2. And then third, pellagra, low levels of vitamin B3. Next is the fourth, paraesthesia, low levels of vitamin B5 leading to a pins and needles feeling. Fifth, biotin deficiency, low levels of vitamin B7, which can be common in pregnancy. Hypocobalamin, the low levels of B12. Seventh, night blindness, the low levels of vitamin A. And next, scurvy, low levels of vitamin C. Next, the rickets, severe vitamin D and or calcium deficiency. Vitamin K deficiency. Magnesium deficiency occurs with certain medications and medical problems. Potassium deficiency occurs with certain medications and medical problems. Nutritive value of foods. Nutritional value refers to contents of food and the impact of nutrients in the body. It relates to carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, additives, enzymes, vitamins, sugar intake, cholesterol, fat, and salt intake. Nutritive value is essential in maintaining performance of neonatal, growing, finish, and breeding animals. These are the ways to improve the nutritional value of your meals. First is you make your plate as colorful as possible. Fruits and vegetables are also an essential component of a healthy diet, so make an effort to incorporate them into every meal. Second, always go for whole grains. Third is include a serving of protein whenever possible. Fourth, avoid sugar as often as you can. There are 7 elements of nutrition. First is the carbohydrates. Any larger organic compounds occurring in foods and living tissues, and including sugar, starch, and cellulose. The second is protein. It's a type of nutrient that's found in meats. Third, fats, a natural oily, greasy substance occurring in animal bodies. These are found both in plants and animals. Fourth, vitamins are organic substances found mostly in fruits and vegetables. 7 elements of nutrition. First is the fiber, is all vital importance of digestion. Second is the water, can be taken from the sources, namely drinking water, water in food, and water formed by oxidation of foodstuffs and the body. Third is the minerals, inorganic substance needed by the human body for good health. Nutrition for the life cycle. An individual needs for nutrients and energy change over lifespan. It is during a body's growth period that the need for nutrients is greatest. Stages of nutrition. First is ingestion. The process of taking food, drink, or another substance into the body by swallowing or absorbing it. Second, digestion. The process of breaking down food by mechanical and enzymatic action in the alimentary canal into substances that can be used by the body. There are stages of nutrition. Absorption is the first. The process or action by which one thing absorbs or is absorbed by another. Next is the assimilation, the absorption and digestion of food and nutrients by the body or any biological system. Third is the egestion. It's the discharge or expulsion of undigested material from a cell in case of unicellular organisms. To meet your nutrient needs and stay within your calorie limit, choose variety of nutrient. Dense foods across of all food groups. Nutrient-dense foods include vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and fat-free or low-fat. Dairy products limit calories from added sugars and saturated fats in cut back or sodium. Nutrition needs and concerns vary during different stages of life. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. I hope that everyone, all of you, understand our lesson and our lesson for today, or what I discussed today, sink in your mind, sinking on our mind, so that we can be still healthy and live longer. So thank you everyone and goodbye.